much, Ryder, from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having an amazing Saturday so far. Today, we're going to take a look at this 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C250 in a diamond white metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. We're going to go walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first things you're going to take notice of are the stunning LED headlights. As I pan right below that, you're going to take notice of the running LED fog lights with that beautiful chrome trim. Coming over here into the middle, you are going to see the parking sensors there at the bottom, so don't ever worry about running into anything. And that black roll insert with more chrome trim. And finally, here for the front end, take a look at those gorgeous chrome Mercedes-Benz logos. Making our way to the side, let's go ahead and take a second to look at these wheels and tires. As you guys can see, it is going to come with beautiful 17-inch silver aluminum wheels with the 225/45 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. A couple of things to be noted on the exterior over here on this side as well. You are going to have the integrated turn signal indicators on the back of your mirrors. And on the front, you are going to have the blind spot monitoring indicator right there for all of your blind spot needs. Not to mention, taking a look here at your door handles, you are going to have the proximity sensors. So as long as that key's in your pocket and you push your finger on that button right there, it'll lock and unlock. While we're over here, let's take a peek here at this interior. It's going to come with a premium leather on the outside with a suede running through the middle for extra comfort there, as well as an adjustable headrest. These seats are beautiful. As you guys can see, the white and blue stitching running down along all these sides. As we turn around to the dash, you are going to have that black dash finish up top with that staying consistent down below on your glove box with this almost chrome-like trim running through the middle as well as along all of your air vents. Speaking of your glove box, let's go ahead and drop this one, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. As you guys can see on this specific Mercedes-Benz, your tire depths are going to be 11 and 32 seconds for your left and right front, with your left and right rear being 12 and 32 seconds. Brakes in the front are going to be 19 and 32 seconds, I apologize, and 10 and 32 seconds in the rear. Coming around to the rear, this vehicle is going to come equipped with a backup camera, so don't ever worry about backing up into anything. While we're back here, let's go ahead and lift the trunk, showing you guys how much trunk space there actually is. And as you guys can see, even with being a sport and a Mercedes that is very low and very compact, you do have plenty of room back here to haul groceries or luggage on long trips or anything you guys can possibly think of. Moving down to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it does come equipped with power seat adjustments with the seat memorization, as well as power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and the lumbar support. Before we hop in and show you guys some of the interior features, I do just want to show you guys my favorite feature of this vehicle. So obviously you guys can see that it is a coupe, which is a two-door, and all of the seats will fold forward, allowing for entry into the back seat. Most vehicles, most coupes, I personally drive a BMW 328i coupe. Whenever it has the seat lever, you just lift the seat up and then have to push it forward manually. Whereas in these Mercedes-Benz, there's a little lever right here behind the seat. So you're just going to go ahead and lift that up. And as I lift that up and push it forward, you're going to see the seat automatically start to push itself forward. And if we take a quick peek here in the back seat, you are going to see that premium suede and leather interior is going to stay consistent with the blue and white stitching as well. And if I go ahead and take a step in here just really fast, you are going to have your own individual air vents to keep you cool and warm. Not to mention plenty of storage and even 2 cup holders. Hopping on in, we're going to go ahead and start up for you guys. As you can see, you are going to get a nice little start up there on your middle display from Mercedes. But I want you guys to also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with extremely low miles, just over 48,000. And as you can imagine, being a Mercedes-Benz, it is going to have plenty of features here on the interior. So let's go ahead and show you guys every single one of those. Taking a look behind your steering wheel to the left, you are going to have all of your headlight adjustments with your automatic headlight setting. Your parking brake is also located down below. And your hood release, there's a little red lever underneath this little panel piece. You just pull to release your hood there. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be all of your windshield wiper adjustments with your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. I know you guys see those beautiful paddle shifters for your manual shifting. The left side of your steering wheel is going to be your middle display options. And on the right side, you'll have all of your touch to talk. Coming over into the middle, you are going to have a large LCD display that does come equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera. Now on top of that backup camera, you are going to have navigation and how to access that. There is a little button here on the left side of all of your manual options here that does have a Navi. So if I go ahead and press that, just to show you guys, it does have the map as most vehicles with navigation do. So if I go ahead and press that back and go back to the radio, you're gonna see that the climate control is right there at the touch of your fingertips as well, with your front two seats being heated to keep your butt warm during the wintertime, as well as your four ways there in the middle. Now, Mercedes and BMW do an amazing job of keeping things very compact and hidden. So here in the front, this is actually a storage compartment. So if you go ahead and just press that forward, you are going to have that small storage compartment as I talked about with the 12-volt plug in there as well. So if I go ahead and press that back forward there, it'll just retract. You're going to have your beautiful shifter knob with your options for manual shifting. And then here at this little button here, you are going to have your economy and sport mode. So if I go ahead and press that, how you guys can see that indicator change. See that little green E there? As I press that button, it'll change to a red S, which is sport mode, and then back to economy. Now, most people have a question about what this little knob here is. So if you guys can see up there on that display, if I go ahead and change it back to the radio, you can actually see that it can change the channel that you want to listen to. And as well as if you were to go into the system, so if I go ahead and press the system, it does give you the option to actually kind of scroll through some different things there at the bottom. So if I go ahead and press settings, you'll be able to actually navigate through all of that. As well as the back and clear button that do go to that middle display as well. So you are going to have two cup holders. And then this center console, the center cluster here is extremely cool. It is my favorite part, second favorite part of this vehicle. I apologize. So if I go ahead and press this little hidden button here on the side, you will see that both of them flip open, allowing for a USB port down there as well. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you are going to have lighting options for both your driver and passenger, as well as the option to open and close your panoramic sunroof. So go ahead and push the shader all the way back. And then go ahead and press that button again. It does allow the sliding of your moonroof. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 1.8 liter premium unleaded engine with an intercooled turbo pushing 201 horsepower. And you also take notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep it garage kept its entire life. However, as we make our way around the rest of this vehicle, it's in extremely good condition on the outside. No scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents. Showing you guys every single wheel and tire as well. This front right one is in extremely good condition. Coming back down here along the body, as you guys can see, is in impeccable shape. The previous owner took extremely well care of this vehicle. Even coming around to the rear, you do not have your typical trunk scratches, although used vehicles do have these typical trunk scratches. And then finally, coming back down along the driver's side of the body, as you guys can see, it is also in extremely good condition. Just a couple of small imperfections there on your door handle. However, other than that, both wheels and tires on this side are also in extremely good condition as well. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C250. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to turn push notifications on as well. Have an amazing Saturday, guys.